Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, I hope you are fine, right? So, welcome back to our English class again. So, are you ready to study English? Okay, good. I hope you are ready, right? So, today I am going to teach you more about our unit 4, the talking about farm animals, right? And today I am going to teach you about reading. All right? So, before going to our reading, I want you to know the objectives of our lesson today. So, these are the objectives of our lesson today. So, number one, students can read and understand the reading. Number two, copy the lesson into exercise book A. Number three, copy homework into exercise book B. And number four, read and answer the question. All right? So I hope you understand what I want you to do because I have written it in Khmer already. Okay. So you already know that today we are going to talk about reading, right? Okay. Before going into our reading, I want to introduce a new word for you. Okay? Grain. Again, grain. Again, grain. Very good. How do you spell grain? Grain. Grain. Again, crane. Again, crane. Very good. So what does grain mean? You see the picture? You see? Corn, rice, others. Alright? So that's called grain. So what does grain mean, everyone? You see? Yeah. In Khmer, crop thunyichit. Crane. Alright? So now let's go to our reading. So our reading today is on page 110. So this is a half paragraph of the reading. Okay, now so I will read it for you. So listen carefully, okay? Ruti and his friends are going to the farm near their school. When they arrive there, they see the cows are eating grass. Turkeys are eating grain. Chickens and ducks are eating rice and corns. Alright? So it is an easy paragraph. So now let's read it with me. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Ritti and his friends are going to the farm near their school. When they arrive there, they see the cows are eating grass. Turkeys are eating grain. Chickens and ducks are eating rice and corns. Alright? So I hope you know how to read it. And I will read it for you one more time. And you can read it for me loudly. Okay. អញ្ចឹងឥឡូវឈើចង់ឲ្យយើងអានទាំងអស់គ្នាជាមួយឈើ Okay? 1, 2, 3. Ruti and his friends are going to the farm near their school. When they arrive there, they see the cows are eating grass. Turkeys are eating grain. Chickens and ducks are eating rice and corns. Alright? So I hope you can read it, and after finish this video I want you to take a video and send it to me. Okay? So after reading I always give you the question to answer, right? So this is the example of question. So where are Rati and his friends going? Where are Rati and his friend going? So where are they going, everyone? Very good. They are going to the farm near their school. All right. They are going to the farm near their school. Okay. So this is the example for you. So now let's go to your homework. Your homework, answer the questions. So there are 3 questions, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 1. What are the cows eating? Okay. What are turkeys eating? Sorry, no R here, right? I will correct this mistake, okay? What are the chickens and ducks eating? Alright? What are the chicken and ducks eating? Okay, so this is the homework for you. So I hope you can do it. You can do your homework well, okay? So that's all about today's video, and I want to explain in Khmer about your homework, okay? អញ្ចឹងចំពោះ homework របស់យើងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺយើងមាន2ទី1គឺឆ្លើយសំណួរមិញ3សំណួរមិញឲ្យលោកគ្រូវិញមកហើយទី2គឺយើងថតជាវីដេអូផ្ញើមកឲ្យលោកគ្រូមកតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការអានអត្ថបទមិញអញ្ចឹងអត្ថបទមិញយើងថតវីដេអូផ្ញើមកឲ្យលោកគ្រូនឹងស្ដាប់គ្រូនឹងឲ្យយោបល់ថាយើងអានត្រូវអត់អូខេហើយការអាននេះក៏មានបន្ទុកដែរអូខេអញ្ចឹង let's say goodbye